Hello, this is a question related to differential equation. The question is we have to solve the differential equation dy over dx minus y upon x is equal to 2x square where x is greater than 0. This question has been asked in CBSE exam 2004, 2007 and 2011. So we are given that dy over dx minus y over x is equal to 2x square. So we know that it is differential equation of the form dy over dx plus py is equal to q. Now comparing equation 1 and 2, we know that clearly p is equal to minus 1 upon x and q is equal to 2x square. So in this type of equation, first we calculate integration factor, that is called if. Integration factor is if is equal to e to the power p dx. So it will be e to the power minus 1 upon x dx. So it will be e to the power minus, we know that integration of 1 upon x dx is equal to log x plus c. So it will be e to the power minus log x, e to the power minus log x. So it will be e to the power log 1 upon x. So it will be e to the power log will cancel, so it will be 1 upon x. So now we multiplying both sides by integration factor, we get 1 upon x dy over dx minus y over x 1 upon x. We are multiplying equation 1 by integration factor, so we are getting that 1 upon x dy over dx minus y over x into 1 upon x is equal to 2x square into 1 upon x. So clearly 1 upon x dy over dx, it is 1 upon x into dy over dx is, if we get differentiate d upon dx of y over x, so we will get its differentiation will be first function. Here it can be calculated d upon dx of y into 1 upon x. So clearly it is first function y into differential equation of second, it will be minus 1 upon x square plus y plus 1 upon x into dy over dx. So this left side can be written as, from here we can we are seeing that left side can be written as d upon dx of y over x. It is minus y over x square plus 1 upon x dx. So it can be written d upon dx of y over x is equal to d upon dx of y over x is equal to 2x square 2x. So now integrating both sides, we get, integrating both sides with respect to x, we get integration d upon dx of y over x into dx is equal to integration of 2x dx plus c. So this can be written as y over x is equal to 2 into x square upon 2 plus c. So this can be written as y is equal to x cube plus cx. Thank you.